Oriearth Nature Foundation is an organization with a clear focus on harmonizing human-nature coexistence. Our ultimate goal is conservation of our rich natural assemblage of flora, fauna and authentic diversity. We work from the bottom up. We get to where the need is. In rural areas, in tribal areas, we are working through various initiatives. We and our team are ready to reach out to the needy. Water problem in rural areas is a serious problem. Our team succeeded in providing them with water near the house. The joy on their faces was not hidden when water became available.